Claudia by Neuro is the new way to make a living with ADHD 10 times easier. Here's how it works. You can make progress in all areas of your life through systems that are deeply engineered to work alongside your ADHD brain instead of against it. But the thing that makes Claudia really unique is that you can speak to her using your voice and she will organize literally anything. Your tasks, your priorities, your calendar, your routines, and even your mood. You just speak and she will organize it all. Watch this. Hey Claudia, I'm feeling really optimistic about the launch of Neuro. Don't let me forget to post that product demo on Product Hunt and add a cold shower to my morning routine.
I've logged your mood as excited, added your product demo task onto your task list, and added cold shower to your morning routine. Is there anything else?
Hi Claudia, I need to tidy my bedroom, but I'm really overwhelmed. Can you help me break it down?
I've broken down the tidy my bedroom task. You can see it on your screen. I have created a gentle progression from putting on music to celebrating your accomplishment. Would you like any other changes to the breakdown?
And you can even journal with Claudia.
What is one thing which brought some joy today? Why do you think that brought you joy?
Well, one thing that brought me joy was looking forward to launching. There are routines that are scientifically designed for people with ADHD and also protocols to help you get out of those ADHD ruts when you do find yourself in them. There's so much more to do inside Claudia by Neuro, and this is really just the beginning. I hope to see you over there. Thank you.